Sabino 10 is a residence that redefines its spatial boundaries on a narrow plot by maximizing the views. While it presents itself on the outside as a solid facade composed of 3 hermetic volumes inside, this concept is completely transformed. The house visually expands, optimizing the plot area and offering a sense of unexpected spaciousness. The spaces are organized into 3 independent volumes that encourage outdoor living, inviting the residents to enjoy the region's mild climate. The house opens toward the central patio, evoking the traditional residential architecture of Querétaro, Mexico. To maintain seamless walls, storage spaces and bathrooms were integrated behind walnut paneling. The floor plan follows an L-shaped layout encompassing essential areas such as the living room, dining room, kitchen, bedrooms, and service spaces. It also includes a studio with independent access via a sculptural staircase in the patio. The arrangement of the volumes defines the central patio, creating a sense of visual openness throughout the house. The indoor-outdoor experience is enhanced by a careful selection of materials, where concrete, wood, and marble harmonize to create a cohesive aesthetic. Even the flooring maintains visual continuity, while the silver poplar in the central patio adds a touch of natural warmth. The kitchen and dining area serve as the contemporary heart of the home, fostering gatherings and family activities. Facing the patio, the volumes are perceived as monolithic masses in cantilever, resting on sliding panels embedded in the walls, which extend the view and reinforce the connection with the outdoors. A double height volume without a defined function complements the layout. Sabino 10, designed by the architectural group Editorial, emphasizes the importance of circulation and slender volumes to maximize the available space on the plot, providing a sense of spaciousness and comfort for its residents.